Hey, Murray from Binner Marketing is joining us. Murray, welcome. Thanks for joining us to chat about Next Food Service and Hospitality Expo this September 8th and 9th at the BMO Centre in Calgary. Tell us a little bit about Binner and why you're coming to Next.
We're a food broker. We represent the region of Western Canada. We're coming there to present some of our principal partners. We have several different manufacturers we represent. Being the first year, we're excited to get in there and show some of our companies off. So we will have a lot of manufacturers that we're exposing at the show. We've got 8 booth spaces. We're going to be doing a bit of bundling with our different manufacturers that we represent. Just to let you know, we're going to have Nosak Fine Meats. They also have a gourmet division, which is pastry products. We're launching some new innovative products at the Next Food Expo. That'll be the launch period for that. We're also going to have some Italian meats. These Italian meats are under the brand Leoncini. We've got European specialty cheeses from the European areas, terrific cheese offerings that we have. We're going to have Kikkoman, which is famous for its soy sauce, but we're going to have a lot of other Kikkoman products there as well. We're going to be making sure that we feature Au Sole Mio, which is produced out of Quebec. It's a fully cooked pasta company. We're also going to have Fresca, which does tortillas. We have corn and flour tortillas in various different options and flavors. And we also have Brome Lake. Brome Lake is a duck company, also out of Quebec. We're going to be featuring some specialty cuts and specialty products from Brome Lake.
Very cool. Are you going to be featuring? You're going to be sampling. You're going to be cooking, or what else? Yeah.
Yep. We're going to have a culinary space in the middle of our booth area. We're going to have a chef there. We've actually got a few of them, but one will be focused putting out products. We'll be doing a lot of sampling. I guess our biggest thing will be also menu innovation. We're going to create menu concepts or ideas that we can discuss with operators just to see how it may fit their operation.
So important in today's climate, right, where restaurants are facing some challenges. They need to see some ideas. That's very cool that you're going to be offering those ideas at Next. Murray, what do you think is why should a restaurant or restaurateur or food service operation, why should they come to a show like this? Besides what you mentioned that you're going to be presenting ideas, but some people don't attend sometimes because their shows are far away, sometimes they're out of the country, a lot of them, but why come to a hospitality show like this where brokers like yourself are showcasing different items? What's the advantage to a restaurant to seeing that like this?
We're going to have a lot of our sales experts from the companies we represent along with our own team. It gives you a chance to talk about not only the menu ideas, but how it fits into your menu. Operators are looking at shrunken menus. They're trying to get more patrons in on a more regular basis. We're going to try and show some quick, efficient ways to create menus that can flow through your whole operation. And we'll collaborate with you. We've got the right people there to discuss it. We'll be able to help you get those patrons into your restaurant with more frequency and make money while doing it.
Yeah, so important. So important. Well, thanks so much. You're going to be there September 8th and 9th. You've got a team of people there. You've got some chefs. You've got the manufacturers' reps. All really good reasons. I think for restaurant operators, the thing to consider is that you get to see all these things in one place, and Murray's team's going to be cooking and presenting it to you and showing you how you can actually use it, which you don't often get when you're just looking through somebody's catalog of products. So Murray, thanks so much for participating in Next and for being part of our inaugural year. Thanks so much. We really appreciate your support.
We look forward to it. Take care.
Thanks.